SudeWrite AI. Do you ever feel trapped staring at a blank page, unsure how to bring your characters or world to life? Writer's block can crush inspiration and stall even the most talented authors. That's where SudeWrite steps in to reignite your creativity. SudeWrite is an AI writing assistant built for fiction writers, novelists, and storytellers who need a reliable partner to spark ideas and refine drafts. Its story engine helps you shape characters, define conflicts, and outline entire scenes. If your plot feels stuck, its creative brainstorming tools suggest fresh twists, realistic dialogue, and world-building prompts that make your story richer. Need a descriptive boost? The Describe feature expands scenes with vivid sensory details, metaphors, and emotional depth. SudeWrite can even generate 100 to 500 words in your style, seamlessly continuing your draft so you don't lose momentum. For polishing, its rewriting options help tighten prose, enhance emotions, or adjust tone, all while keeping your voice intact. SudeWrite also offers instant feedback to improve flow and readability, plus brainstorming tools for names, places, and plot points. Its proprietary Muse model, fine-tuned for storytelling, understands humor, pacing, and character dynamics better than general AI tools. Fiction authors, screenwriters, and creative writers praise SudeWrite for saving time and unlocking imagination. Whether you're crafting a novel or a short story, SudeWrite helps you stay inspired, finish drafts faster, and keep your unique storytelling touch. If you're ready to break free from creative blocks and let your stories flourish, try SudeWrite today and see your writing come alive.